Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing QUEENNAIJA behind the scenes of Hate Our Love music video. Okay, so I'm not gonna get copywritten, so I'm gonna give y'all a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit away. All right, so we love you. Thank you, Petty fam. Let's get into it.
Basketball court. Really? I would rather cut that out. There's nothing I can do on a basketball court. Ooh, hold on, wait a minute. Trouble Farm Prize.
Do this.
We're ready for you.
More. Put out your feet, Billy.
First of all, yes, Queen. I love the look. I love the dancers. I'm so happy for her about this video. I couldn't wait for it to come out. Yes, girl. Yes.
Dancers, we're ready for you. One last time. Here we go.
Yep,
We're ready for you guys.
This is it. Then there's B-roll after that.
Yep.
Yeah. This is the last time. This is the last time we do this.
This is the one with the snow. We're gonna do this.
Then Queen got the snow by herself.
So now boxing it around. Pull it out.
Oh wait, so it's a B-roll.
Yeah. No performance.
Alright, so we just look at it and think. I really want to just stand here.
Yep.
I think I would just like to stand there real. No, not really.
All right, guys, let's get going. Let's go.
Ooh, I love that fire. I love the look with the hat. Yes, girl. Oh, that's gorgeous. Yes, liking.
Here we go.
Things. They're cold out there. We appreciate your efforts, ladies.
Okay, God, that's what I'm saying. Okay, God, that's what I was like. Y'all just doing the same thing now. Ready? Here we go.
Haley.
They put that on.
And I think it's going, regardless, I think even without that limit, it's like, even running and then we still have this limit. I just don't like
John.
You know, she's so sweet. Queen is so sweet. She worried about the girls catching colds and stuff, you know? Like, most people be like, you got a job to do, you know, that's on you. But she's very considerate. That's so nice.
That's a wrap for them. That's a wrap for our dancers.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for the dancers. They're done for the day.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Very talented.
Okay.
Guys, come here now. Get the hot chocolate.
It's in my duffel. It's in
It's the middle though. Like look, literally from your nose to here, that's the middle of your head.
You sure, Evan? It's in my duffel. I don't know.
Cam, she's just walking on this first master wide, right? She just wants clarity.
Oh, I see what you're doing, Queen. I like it. You had the white fur, and then you got the black fur. You know, the all black. I got you, girl. Yes, ma'am. Do that thing. Ooh, the leaf blower. We behind the scenes for real.
Knock your face. Okay. And then we'll readjust. We'll give you one.
The makeup is on point. Her face is beat. And I love her hair with that little swoop. Yes.
Hey, Alex. We're going to do lead.
No, just doesn't. It's showing too much.
We're taking all that out. It can be
What
like,
are they
that's
gonna
why
do?
it's static.
So you're cropping it?
So we can. You talking about the lights and everything?
No, I'm talking about just showing.
What about me?
Everything.
Am I fine?
You're fine.
So yeah, they're gonna take
What's
her.
wrong with the Brandon?
Thank you.
Been here since day one. You better stop. No.
Okay, Lee, you got 5 pictures of me. Thank you. Oh, that is cute.
Okay.
I feel like Detroit people are like super different and like
No, y'all different.
That's why
Y'all love it. No, I'm talking about like
yeah,
y'all could fall 10 times. Y'all getting up 12.
I feel,
Mommy,
huh?
I don't know what to do.
Why?
Cause I'm just bored.
Why? Cause you can't have you can't have your phone. CJ, practice on that math. Monique.
See, and that's so wonderful. That's beautiful that she's still taking time to talk to CJ, make sure he's doing his homework. You know, she busy, but she always makes time for the kids.
We don't have glue, Mommy.
No, I'm not talking about that one. The ones you was practicing on last night. Legend. Hi, Papa Bear. I love you.
Look at the blue smiley face.
Oh wow. Can you draw mommy a balloon?
And it doesn't come off.
Oh wow. That's fun to play with.
Queen's out of control. But that's so good. He did a little balloon with a face on it.
On these little things, real New York, you know. I was gonna do an all black one for our group, and they said they wanted to do some alley shit though.
Look at Lee.
Only thing that ever came between us was distance. Only thing you ever asked from me is to keep it crash site.
On or off better?
I like it on.
On like hard.
Corey, you need
Just play back really fast, and when you guys see.
So, do you like them on or off better?
I like it on.
On like hard.
Baby.
Well, hope we don't get copyrighted, but I tried to cut as much as I could and still give y'all a little bit. So I really enjoyed the behind the scenes. She's so sweet, and you get to see that, you know, in real time. So Lee is working hard. She hustling. She making phone calls. She making sure the shots are right. All right, Lee. Big up to Lee. Big up to Monique for keeping the kids occupied. And Queen has stuff together. Love the quality. The video quality even is beautiful. So good jobs to the makeup team, the hair team, the clothing, stylists, all those good people. And don't forget about the dancers. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.